In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animations and interactions with Wix Studio. Whether you're building a website for your business, a personal project, or just exploring your creativity, animations can take your site to the next level. They add that extra touch of professionalism and interactivity, making your visitors' experience more engaging and memorable. The process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to bring your elements to life. So let's jump right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Wix Studio homepage. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that button to access your account. Now, if you don't already have a Wix account, no worries. You'll see an option to sign up and create one. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. It's quick, and you'll only need a few details to get started. For those of you who prefer convenience, you can choose to continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account credentials, which is a great choice if you want to save time. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. From here, locate and open your workspace. The workspace is where all the magic happens. It's your editing hub for customizing your website. Next, decide on the text or element you want to animate. Maybe it's a headline, a button, or even an image. To select the element, simply click on it in the editor. This will highlight the item and reveal additional options for customization. Now, look at the toolbar. You'll notice an icon that resembles a magic wand. This is the animation tool, and it's your gateway to adding movement and flair to your website. Click on that magic wand icon to get started. Once you've opened the animation options, you'll see a variety of animation types to choose from. To begin, select the entrance animation type. This is a great starting point as it determines how your element will appear when the page loads or when a visitor interacts with it. After selecting entrance, click on the Add button to apply the animation to your chosen element. You'll immediately see the animation take effect in the editor. Now comes the fun part, exploration. Wix Studio offers a wide range of animation effects, so take your time browsing through the options. The goal is to find an effect that complements your website's overall style and tone. For example, a simple fade-in might work well for a minimalist design, while a bounce or slide effect could add some playful energy. Before finalizing your choice, it's a good idea to preview the animation. To do this, look for the preview icon, which is typically represented by an eye symbol. Click on it to see how the animation performs in real time. This step is crucial because it lets you experience the animation just as your visitors will. Finally, take a moment to fine-tune the animation settings. Wix Studio allows you to adjust various parameters, such as the animation speed, delay, or duration. Play around with these settings to ensure the animation feels just right. You want it to enhance your website without being too overwhelming or distracting. And that's it. You've successfully added animations to your Wix Studio website. With these tools, you can create a more dynamic and interactive experience for your visitors, helping your site stand out from the crowd. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.